The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler. December 10th. Saints Menas the Kallikelados, Hermogenes and Eugraphos. Menas, he of the beautiful voice, was born in Athens. Emperor Garius, who admired his eloquence, sent him to Alexandria to pacify the citizens. After successfully performing his office, Menas publicly declared that he was a Christian. Aided by Eugraphos, his subordinate, he began to convert many people. The judge Hermogenes, who during his journey to Alexandria had had a vision in which he had been told that the journey would be profitable for him, summoned the two Christians before his court. The acts of these martyrs, which deserve no credit and have been erroneously attributed to St. Athanasius, relate that Menas employed his great eloquence to make before the court a speech which lasted 4 hours. The speech produced much effect, however. The saint was condemned to lose his eyes and the skin of his feet. What would be the surprise of the crowd to see Menas the next day with his eyes and feet unharmed? That miracle converted Hermogenes and many others. Then Galerius had Menas, Hermogenes, and Eugraphus tormented. As the martyrs were not harmed, the emperor had them beheaded.